Okay, let's see. So this morning, interesting stuff going on. Jim and Patty are just now done me over, but otherwise, yeah, close to that 2300 at the moment, which is a high mark, watermark, I think, for this auto pairing. And you're wanting 2544. Oh, that's on the Blitz. Okay. Mellow 2124. Okay. Try dragon, Sicilian dragon for a laugh. Maybe with an A6 and B5 just for confusion early without cancelling yet. In fact, if I play H5 as well, that will add more to the confusion. Hopefully. Dragadorf or something? Does I need to play bishop B7? I'm not sure. So I've ruled out cheekily his bishop H6. Ah, no, am I going to get done over now? What is this? I'll just take that. A bit like a park as well. Okay. Well, I can't take that because bishop G6, and I'm gone. So he's just won a piece, and he's going to play bishop H6. That's pretty cruel. I'll play Queen A5. It's nasty. Didn't expect that sort of punishment. Has this guy been beating everyone out, or? Oh man, give me a break. All those pluses. I just played the wrong thing against the wrong person. On the wrong day. His best on the 5-minute auto pairing, he's only played 16. So his provisional rating is going to do me over with this horrible mean knight e6 tactic. Is he going to take the bishop or not? King f8, bishop h6, holding on to the piece. I've got b4 here, knight c6, or king g8 probably is needed before I get in big trouble. I already am in big trouble, by the way, sorry. It's just, I don't know. Bishop takes f3 looks like a move. Oh, bad feeling about all of this. Knight c6 or knight g4 hits the bishop. I'll try that. Knight f5 now. Fronting knight e7. Take queen g5. Might as well take the bishop to play king g7 after. Right, so king g7 here. Right, so if knight f5, maybe I take that. Check, king f8. Is he going to play this knight f7? He's going to wipe out my king side here. Now b4 protects e5 for a moment. My queen. So I was trying to get some pieces out. Knight c6 would be nice. Let's play knight c6. Queen g5 looks dangerous. Okay, knight c6 for a moment. Right, so f7 looks vulnerable. Quite a few things look vulnerable. If I play rook f8, or b3 here, just to get the queens off. Plays queen f2 or something. There's queen a2, maybe, protecting f7 for a moment. Might be useful. Queen g5 looks too dangerous. Rook h5. Okay. I don't know. I'm probably going to regret this. But have I got rook h5 on queen g5? That's the question. Right, so would I have rook c8 and knight d4? Try and go into the counter attack. We've seen how well this guy attacks. Can he defend? After knight d4, rook e5, knight b3. Taking there. He's on f7 still. Anything stronger after knight d4? Rook e5, knight b3, king d1, queen b1. King moves, rook h2. Yeah, I think knight d4 might be good. I'm still protecting f7 here. I would hope. So that's with tempo. That was the idea of queen a2, one of the ideas. So knight b3 now. This is looking good. Or rook c2 looks crushing for knight e2 check. Wow, I thought this guy had me earlier. That doesn't look so clear. b3. b1's loose. Threatening queen d2 mate now. Knights and pre, it's bishops and pre. Provisional, I went up 7 points though. It was his 5th 5-minute game. Welcome to ICC. Okay, that was a bit lucky. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, I was a goner there. Oh dear. Yeah, I think that was quite a good counter attack anyway. Shaky start. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.